Demain à mon anniversaire, je voudrais gagner à athlétisme, Genèse de Ponte de Liberté.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Il faut le chercher. On est mal, on est bien.
Non, merci. Prochain via bière.
Ah non.
Hi,
Hi, man.
what do you read?
I'm reading the newspapers. Something about politics.
Politics, politics, politics. Today, politics simply irritates many, and they don't even want to talk about it. And the politics determines not the only direction our society heads to, but it also depicts our daily life.
This is because of the impression that politicians are in politics only to grab something for themselves.
Whoever cannot do something for himself cannot do for anyone else as well.
That's funny. Such an approach is silly and leads nowhere. We need to be proactive and elect politicians who have good program for better people's lives and are fully focused on implementing those programs.
Do you think that politics would have more appealing appearance if politicians were like that?
Yes, politicians should be primarily altruistic and committed to the implementation of the program for which the people have chosen them.
Here, I'll show you an example of, I think, Turkish politician completely dedicated to his goal and his mission.
Well, that's awful. The man didn't even turn to see what had happened to the cameraman. He could have killed himself, and this one nonchalantly passes by him.
Well, that's it. The politician is completely focused on his mission and doesn't want to be bothered with anything else happening around him that is not in the function of achieving a political goal. You were the one who said the politician must be dedicated to the goal.
Everyone must be committed to the goal, but this is acceptable. He didn't even look back, let alone help the one who had fallen so awkwardly and severely. Look at how the reporters reacted. Look, the reaction of journalists is ethical, natural, and expected. They put the help of a colleague in front of their professional assignment to get a statement from a politician.
The politician must be firm and determined. The politician in representative power decides the social conditions in which people will live in, better or worse ones. The politician cannot deal with something trivial.
But when it comes to the immediate life situation that happens in your surroundings, when a person could have been seriously injured, then the politician is just one of us with the same human reaction that we would have and help a person in distress. Machiavelli said it well, the ends justify the means when it comes to the politicians. The goal is more important than the method they use to reach it. There is no need to deal with things that are not in the function of the goal. It's a waste of time and unimportant business. Higher goals are more important. Sometimes they have own sacrifice as well as the price, but this is nothing when it compared to the return of the goal achieved. Listen, we are talking about abstract things and nonsense. Every man, especially a politician, should have completely ethical nature in every situation. He should help a person in need. That is why there are politicians to get societies and people out of trouble and create the conditions for a better life.
millions of examples in which politics doesn't find a solution for people in need, especially if there are others different and not from our team, because they have a goal. And I'm not sure if it's in human nature to help one another.
Human character, listen, human character and solidarity are the most important. That should be the nature of a politician. To notice a person next to you who is in trouble, especially if they are in danger. That is a human reaction that should embellish politicians as well. Politicians above everybody else.
Okay, are you sure this is a common human reaction?
Yes, I'm quite sure.
Okay, are you up for testing that theory of yours? This is your feminine, maternal approach.
It's neither a feminine nor a maternal approach. This is how people react. This is especially how politicians should react. I agree. Let's take a test. You'll see for yourself what people are like.
Okay, let's see.
Puta merda. Imbécile, c'est un imbécile. Mets ton crâne, très fort, très fort. Comment gagner? Comment gagner?
Do you need any help? That man is crazy.
I think it's okay. Please help me.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
He's really crazy.
My bones. That's okay. Glasses. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Nothing.
The man is crazy, really.
Puta merda. Imbécile, c'est un imbécile.